Hello friends, in today's video we are going to make a program to find out the age for eligibility of vote. To make it we will make a new file by pressing Ctrl plus N. Now we will type here age equals to int bracket input bracket double inverted commas enter your age double dot double inverted commas double bracket. Next line, if age less than equals to 18 double dot enter print bracket you are eligible for vote double inverted commas bracket close, else double dot enter print bracket you are not eligible for vote double dot inverted commas bracket close. Now we will save the program by pressing Ctrl plus S. Now we will type here vote. Now we will run the program by pressing F5 key. We will write here 17. Here it shows you are not eligible for vote. Now we will run the program again. If we put 19, then it will show you are eligible for vote. As you saw that our program is running perfectly. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like and subscribe.